Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Natalie here. I have a treat for you this morning. I'm going to show you a little hair care routine of mine that I have adopted because I used to buy hair gel all the time at the store, and because I like to wear my hair kind of natural and it's thick and it gets it kind of blows up, so to tame it I like to put hair gel. But what I found is that even the hair gel that I buy in the store that says that it doesn't flake, it's alcohol free, what I found is I would put it in and the next day, like, my scalp would be irritated and it would flake. And my scalp, I have a very, very sensitive scalp. So I have these two products that I mix to make my own hair gel, and I wanted to share it with you. I could probably sell it to you. I could probably make it for you and sell it to you, but why? It's really simple. So the first product is this organic almond oil by Pura Doro that I buy off of Amazon. It's hexane free. Make sure it's organic and hexane free because we don't want to put chemicals on our body and in our hair. And then I buy this After Sun. We use it like it's aloe vera After Sun, and it's dye free from Walgreens, and so no chemicals. I'm looking. I mean, it might have some stuff in there, preservatives and stuff, because it is processed, but this is what I use. And I choose not to use the dyes because the dyes have different, it's a whole different thing. They're toxic. But anyway, so what I do is in the morning, because I don't, this is my lazy care routine. I just put some almond oil, 2 squirts of this gel, rub it in and rub it throughout the hair, right? I rub it throughout my hair. I got my boar's head bristle brush because I think I get a smoother look with the boar's head bristle brush. You can get that off Amazon also. Especially because my hair is really thick, so I need something that's going to tame the hair. So, and I'm sorry guys, I don't have my microphone on this morning. I just I was in here and I was like, I'm gonna share this with you guys because I have a lot of different hair routines and people have asked me about what I do with my hair, and occasionally I like to come and share something with you. So okay, so that's it, right? And then once I do that, once that's done, you can see the back of it, right? And what it does is it gives it kind of a shine and a glow. And I might put a little bit more in my hand and a little bit more both items in my hand, right? And I just rub it on the end, and it keeps it from frizzing. It keeps it from poofing out. It keeps it tame. And then whatever's left over on my hand, I can either, and I already put a little bit of makeup on, so I already put my makeup on, so I'm not gonna put it on my face, but you can, it doubles over as skincare. So it's like a skincare lotion. So I hope you guys enjoy this because it's so simple, and I'm sure there are a lot of you. Let me know if you decide to try it. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you decide to try this, and I will see you in the next video.